Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we'll be discussing about an international wildlife quiz which is Wild Wisdom quiz. So in this video you'll be getting each and every information regarding this quiz, and if you don't want to miss any of them, so do watch the video till end and hit the bell icon and the like button. You can even write the query in the comment section. I'll surely resolve it. I'll be giving the link of this quiz in the description box. You can click on it and directly move to the site. So let's begin without wasting any more time. So as you can see, this is the homepage of WWF Wild Wisdom Quiz site, and in this CBSE and WWF have been collaborated for this quiz. So let's move on and get into the deep information. We'll be talking about registration at the end of the video. So till then, let's gather some information regarding this quiz. Now, first thing comes is who can register. So basically, this quiz is categorized into two categories. One is primary school category, another is middle school category. And moreover, this quiz is only for the students of class 3rd to class 8th. So primary school category consists of 3rd to 5th grade students, and middle class category consists of 6th to 8th grade students. Second question is, what is the registration fee? So the registration fee is rupees 50, and by registering each and every student will get 6 newsletters. You can even choose to add more plus rupees 50 to the registration fee to get a summer quiz preparation package. So rupees 50 is compulsory for registration. Moreover, you can even add plus 50, which means total rupees 100, in which you will be getting a summer quiz preparation package. So you can understand through this, which first is base pack, which is rupees 50 for registration, where you will get 6 newsletters. But if you are going to give rupees 50 plus rupees 50, which means premium package of rupees 100, 50 for registration and other 50 for getting summer quiz preparation kit or package. Now, our third thing is, how can I register? So you can register through your school under your school name or as an individual. If you want to register through your school, you need to click on these green words, and if you want to register individually, then you have to click here. Fourth thing is, how can we pay? So students, their parents and guardians can pay online through credit cards, debit cards, e-wallets, net banking and UPI. It is recommended that parents and guardians should make the payment on behalf of their child. Immediately after paying money, you are going to get a receipt from WWF, a confirmation receipt. Now, fifth thing is, how will the quiz be conducted? So this quiz will be conducted online, and you have to attempt this quiz by using a login, username and password, which will be provided to you after you register successfully. And this quiz will have 2 rounds. First is preliminary round, which will be held on 9th August 2020, and final round, which will be held on 16th August 2020. The note over here says indicative dates, that is 9th and 16th August, may change with prior information to registration users. Now the sixth thing is, how can I prepare for the quiz? WWF India shall send list of prescribed reading material, wisdom nuggets to all registered users. Students who have registered with the premium package shall be given 6 mock quiz modules before the preliminary round, and click here to see how can gear up. We'll be clicking it afterwards. Now, seventh and the last thing is, I have a question, who can I ask? If you have any query, you can contact them by clicking here, your name, your message, and it will be sent directly to them, and you are going to get a feedback. So these are some contact informations. Now going back, let's go to the gear up. So before going to gear up, we'll be discussing about the theme. So theme of 2020 Wild Wisdom Quiz is Reimagine Our Planet. So you can read about this, and in Wild Wisdom Quiz, you will learn about and will be quizzed on the fascinating biomass and their features. So this means that in this whole quiz, you are going to learn some information regarding these topics, and moreover, the questions in the quiz will be also asked from these topics only. So these are the 6 main topics. Lesser known planets and animals, you have to gather information regarding them if you want to get a nice score. Lesser known planet and animals, interdependence in biomass, adaptation in species, unique ecological behavior and adaptation, innovative solution and technology for conservation, conservationists around the world who are leading a chance. Now coming back to the gearing up, so this you can read. This is a summary of what I'll be telling you in this whole video. Now coming to the main questions which we haven't discussed is, when do registration begin? So the registration will begin from 2nd June and it will end on 5th August 2020. And I've told you about the levels. There will be 2 levels, prelim and the finale level. The format of the quiz is, it is an objective MCQ based quiz, and it will be based on referral images. All questions will have 4 options. So in the preliminary level, which is the first level of this quiz, you will be having 30 questions and time limit of 10 minutes, whereas in finale questions you will be having 50 questions with the time limit of 20 minutes. The type of questions will be asked will be related to key features like temperature, Earth's temperature, climate, location, common flora and fauna, endangered, extinct species, adaptation, etc. Now this quiz will be conducted online, and preliminary round will be on 9th August, I have told you that, and finale round will be on 16th August. And the students who want to track their scores, they can track it on their personal dashboard, or they can find it on the website. Now the prizes, the most exciting part of the quiz is, each and every participant would be getting an e-certificate. That's normal, but top 10 winners will be getting a chance to play chess with the chess master Vishwanath Anand. So guys, gear up and be ready for the quiz, and do not let this chance go by your hand. Now, coming to the main part, which is registration part. By scrolling down, you are going to find a black button of register now, and if you don't find, then on your right side you are going to find a brown button of register now. After clicking on that button, this will be a page that will appear in front of you. So it will be asking for your email ID. So after providing this will be a message sent by them, which means that they have sent a registration link through an email. By clicking on that, you will be asked to fill some information, and after filling that, you'll be registered. Now, as I have given my email ID, it means I have been signed up. Now going to the registration part. Coming to my Gmail, I found a link sent by WWF. By clicking, they are asking me to click on this blue link. So after clicking on it, a page appears where they're asking for my personal details and school details. So I'll not be filling all of them, and if you want me to fill them and show you further videos, so do write in the comment section. I'll make a separate video of it. But for your information, I'll be telling, after giving your personal details and clicking on proceed, there will be a pop-up where they'll be asking you to choose your payment option. Then depending on your payment option, there will be another box which will appear where you have to fill your details, account details, and after filling all of that, you are going to get a receipt which will be a confirmation receipt. After that, you will be a registered participant. So that's all for today. For another video on this wild wisdom quiz, do write in the comment section if you want the second part, where I'll be providing all the information, my personal details, and showing you further procedure. Do like, share and comment to my YouTube channel, that is Grasping Grade. Thanks for watching.